Hi, I'm Lindsay Burke, and I'm going to show you how to make the Amor earrings. These are sweet earrings for Valentine's Day or just an everyday earring. Made with a heart pendant from TierraCast, these earrings can be made in both antique brass like this one or in silver. They make a great, quick gift. Okay, let's take a look at the products we'll need. For this project, we'll need 2 8mm Scarlet Swarovski crystal beads, 2 Pewter Amor pendants by TierraCast in antique brass, 4 Lily bead caps by TierraCast, also in antique brass, 2 22 gauge eye pins, and 2 5.5mm jump rings, and then also 1 pair of Niobium French ear wires. We'll also need chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, and wire cutters. Okay, to build this earring, we're going to start from the top down. I'm going to start with our eye pin. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and slide our bead cap on first. And then pick up one of the scarlet beads, slide that on. So you can see that the bead cap hugs the bead nicely. Then again, add one more bead cap. So that scarlet bead is nestled in between the 2 bead caps. Okay, and then go ahead and start my simple loop. I'm going to do this by bending my wire right at the bead cap. Then I'll take my round nose pliers and create a loop, not too small here, not too big, just right. See if you guys can see that loop. Okay, I'll go ahead and cut off that excess wire. So I have the perfect loop there. Okay, then I want to make sure it's nice and closed here. And there's my link, the loop on both sides. Okay, now to attach the pendant to it, I'm going to use a jump ring. Just open it up. If you need 2 pairs of pliers, you can here. Open up your jump ring, one side away from you and one side towards you. I'm going to go ahead and attach the pendant first, and then the link, and close it up. I'm going to grab my other chain nose pliers, just so I have a good grasp on that, so I can get it nice and closed. Okay. All right, and then to attach the ear wire, you're going to just grab your ear wire, and there's an opening there. Again, just like the jump ring, go ahead and grab one side, rotate it towards you so you don't get it out of alignment. Slide on your pendant, your link, the top loop there, and then close the same way. And there you have the simple Amor earrings. You want to make the second one the same way. I've got one already finished right here. You can find this and many more projects at fusionbeads.com.